So we will learn CrewAI multi-agent framework in this course, so we can build multi-agentic generative AI applications, right? So CrewAI is built on top of LangChain, and this is a multi-agent framework. It supports agents working together. In layman terms, an agent is like a human being, right? And each agent will be assigned with LLM, tools, memory, etc. And each agent will perform a task. And these agents can work either sequentially, that is one after another, or they can also work in parallel and perform the assigned task. That is either sequential or parallel. These agents will generate the final outcome when they are done with their tasks. And CrewAI has very good documentation. So let me take you there. So this is the official page of CrewAI where you can see all the different components of CrewAI. And I will talk about all these in detail in the coming lectures. But if you are interested, you can go through this documentation as well. Okay. So why are we learning this CrewAI framework? So that we can perform complex tasks which have multiple steps involved. For example, assume you are a database developer and assume someone has given you a CSV file which has some data in it, and your task is to load the CSV file to a SQL table, generate a report and send an email. And let's say if the user is asking you to generate the same report every single quarter based on the data you imported from a CSV file to a table, and this is nothing but a repetitive task, right? So in this case, you can try to automate this task, right? For example, you have different tasks here. That is to log into a database, write a SQL query and run it, extract the results, and then generate the report and send an email, right? And here each task is dependent on the previous task output. And we know an agent is like a team member who can perform a specific task. So you can assign each task to an agent, right? So to perform all these tasks, each agent can work in sequence and generate the output. So one agent can log into the database and run the SQL query and extract the results. So that is task number 1. And we can assign this task 1 to one agent. And another agent can help you to generate the report out of the extracted results from the SQL. So it will take the output of the first agent and generate the report, right? And let's say you have another agent here, and this agent which has integration with Outlook to send an email. So it will take the output of the second agent, that is the generated report, and send an email, right? So you have 3 agents who are working for you, and they are working in sequence, one after another. Each agent is dependent on another agent. So the second agent will take the output of the first agent and generate the report, and the third agent will take the output of the second agent, that is the generated report, and send an email, right? So now you get the basic idea on how multi-agent applications look, right? And we will come to the implementation part in the coming lectures. All right, thank you.